In this packet tracer activity, you will add the commands required to configure a site-to-site IPsec VPN between branch and HQ. The ISP acts as a pass-through and has no knowledge of the VPN. IPsec provides secure transmission of sensitive information over unprotected networks, such as the Internet. IPsec acts at the network layer, protecting and authenticating IP packets between participating IPsec devices, such as Cisco routers. The Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol, or ISAKMP, is part of the IPsec protocol suite and will be used to negotiate the parameters and keys to establish a security association between the two sites. Part 1. Verify connectivity between branch and HQ. In this part, you will verify that devices in the branch and HQ networks can send and receive email. You will also use a network sniffer to view the contents of the sent email. Step 1 is to configure the HQ sniffer to filter specific protocol traffic. You will use the HQ sniffer to capture email traffic that is unencrypted. Later in the activity, you will capture email traffic that is encapsulated and encrypted in an IPsec packet. Click the HQ sniffer, then GUI tab. Click Show All None to clear the filters, and then click Edit Filters. In the Miscellaneous tab, select IPsec, ISAKMP, and SMTP, and then close the window. Click Clear to empty the buffer. Click Branch and then PCBR1. Click Desktop tab, Email. The Configure Mail settings open. Enter the email configuration from your instructions. I have them here. Click Save. Step 3 is compose and send an email. Click Compose. Compose an email to HQ User 1. Use a subject and text of your choice. Click Send when finished. Packet Tracer may take several seconds to converge before you see the Send Success message at the bottom of the window. Step 4 is verify the email is received. Navigate to HQ and click PC2-1. PC2-1 is located in the top right room with the water cooler. Click Desktop tab, Email. Click Receive and open the email you just received. Step 5 is view protocols used for transmission. Navigate to Greenville and click the HQ sniffer. In the buffer, click the SMTP packet. Scroll to the bottom of the packet. Here's the field where the SMTP data would be visible to anyone who captured the packet. Part 2. Create a site-to-site VPN. In this part, you copy and paste the commands necessary to configure the branch side of the site-to-site VPN to match the already configured HQ router. Step 1 is add the crypto commands to the branch router. Navigate to Branch, Branch Wiring Closet, bRouter 1. Click the CLI tab. Press Enter and enter BR Security as the password. Enter the Enable command and then the Enable password. Enter Global Configuration Mode. Copy the crypto commands from your instructions and paste them into the bRouter 1. You can read the comments at your leisure later to learn more about what these commands do. If you check the running configuration with the Show Run command, you will notice an incomplete comment under the crypto map command. This message will disappear after the crypto map is applied to an interface and interesting traffic is defined by an access control list. Step 2 is associate the crypto map to the router interface. Enter interface configuration mode for the gigabit 0/0/0 interface. Apply the crypto map. The router generates a notification that the crypto is now on. However, the SAs or security associations are not established until the crypto map has been activated by interesting traffic. Step 3. Configure an ACL to identify interesting traffic. Copy the statements for ACL 101 from your instructions and paste them into brouter 1. This ACL will identify interesting traffic that will use the tunnel. The statements identify traffic sourced from the branch network to subnets in the HQ network. Check the running configuration to verify the incomplete warning is gone. Step 4 is configure the NAT ACL to define interesting traffic that is not used in the VPN tunnel. Network Address Translation, or NAT, will not be executed for traffic that is traveling through the tunnel. Remove ACL 102 from the current configuration. NAT will be used on all traffic that is not traveling through the tunnel. Copy the new ACL 102 from your instructions to the configuration to identify traffic that will go through Network Address Translation. Step 5 is verify the site-to-site VPN configuration. In this step, you will send another email which will qualify as interesting traffic and initiate the VPN tunnel between branch and HQ. Navigate to PCBR1 and send another email to HQ user 1. Navigate to the HQ sniffer and click an IPsec packet. In the Packet Details window, scroll down to the TCP header. Locate the destination port number. Notice that it is 25, which is for SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Also notice that this is an IP packet encapsulated in another IP packet. The encapsulating IP packet has an ESP header where the encryption and authentication for IPsec is occurring. This concludes this packet tracer activity. Configure a site-to-site VPN.